Hi, everybody. Welcome to my classroom moment. What is today's date, by the way? Today is the 30th of July 2025. The year is far gone, eh? Far gone. 30th July 2025. Okay. Today is actually somebody's birthday. So please, if today is your birthday, kindly send my cake over because I don't mind. So we're going to be looking at a very interesting topic today. Not like all our topics are not interesting. Okay, but I mean, it's my known slogan. Yeah. By now, it's my customized pickup line. Very interesting topic. Like all others were not interesting or were uninteresting. They are all these classroom segments are super interesting. You just have to try to find it interesting, okay? I know it's a foreign language, but just put your heart to it. Commit your heart to it. Here, we just try to make it fun. Don't follow the known stereotyped way of teaching, classroom teaching, try just make it fun. Okay, that's why we're unconventional in style. Now, we're looking at a very important topic, said that before, la date, date, la date, date. There's a question. Quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui? Quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui? What's today's date? I already told you initially. What is today's date? In answering that question, let me give you a sentence format in French language that will help you answer this question. Quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui? In answering that question, which was quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui, the sentence format to answer that question will be la date d'aujourd'hui est, today's date is, then you now tell us what today's date is. La date d'aujourd'hui est, today's date is the 1st January, le 1er janvier, 1st January, le 1er janvier. The second, Monday, 12th May 2023. Lundi, le 12 mai 2023. Calm down, teacher. Calm down. Not so far. Okay, sorry, I know. Lundi, le 12. Can you still remember your numbers and days of the week in French language? You see, I had to make sure we treat those topics first because I know that, there are certain topics you have to treat before you can go into other topics. So it was never possible for me to go for this topic at first without covering days of the week and numbers in French language. That's, we see your do's and then even articles. Is that understood? Okay. Monday, 12th May 2023 is lundi, le 12 mai 2023. 2023. 2000. 2000 is 2000. 23 is 23. Okay. The next, Tuesday, 8th March 1992. Mardi, le 8 mars 1992. Don't worry. We'll go over it, okay? Tuesday, 8th March 1992. Mardi, that's Tuesday. Le 8 mars, that's 8th March. 1900. 1900 is 1900. 1000 is 1000. 900 is 900. 92. 80 is 80. 12 is 12. 80. So 80 plus 12 will give you 92. That is how French numbers works. Not so fast. I'll go over it, okay? Tuesday, 8th March, 1992. Tuesday, mardi. You remember your days of the week, right? Tuesday, mardi. Le 8, 8. Le 8, Mars, 8 March. March is Mars in French language. A month in a year. 1900, 1900. 1000 is 1000. 900, remember your numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is 9. 1000 is 1000. 9 is 9. 100 is 100. So 9 add 00, 900. 1900, 900. 80 is 80. Your number. 80 is 80 in French. 4 is 4. 20, 20. So 4, that is 20 into 4 places will give you 80. So 80, 92 means 80, 80. That is 20 into 4 places will give you 80 plus 12. That is 80 plus 12. That is 80 plus 12. 80 plus 12 will give you 92. You see, dates in French can be, for we non-native speakers, can be quite uninteresting. But you see, the thing is that when dates are written in French, nobody is going to write it in words like this. My reason for writing it in words like this is that even though you write 1992, that is the same way they are going to write it in a French class. That is the same way they are going to write it. But how do you then interpret it? That is where the problem or the issue lies. Nobody is going to come and write it in words for you. Nobody will come and say, Mardi, le 8 mars 1980. You can see Mardi, Tuesday, the days of the week. You can see wheat. Even the wheat, you wouldn't even see it in words. You will see it in figures. You will see your 8, your non-8 in English language. You can see the low article because days of the week in French are all masculine. Now, but 1992, 1991, 1981, you wouldn't see it written fully in words. It will be written same way it's written in English language, but you wouldn't call it in English language. You are still going to tell us what it means in French language. So I'm just trying to interpret and read it out for you. So Tuesday, 8 March 1992 is Mardi, le 8 mars 1992. And then, that'll be the last. That was the last. So, I hope you understood me clearly. That'll be the end of today's classroom segment. Please do not forget to always go through these classroom video segments so that you can understand it very, very well. Thank you for choosing to be in today's classroom segment. Bye and see you in my next class.